Welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Solana and its uptrend towards $130.70. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency market. If we have a look at Solana, let me broaden this up first. First of all, of course, still to the downside trends with the 55-day simple moving average, although that has been broken to the upside. So nice punchy rally, and as you can see, classic text. Let me zoom in a little bit more there. Oops, a bit too early. There we go. So first of all, solid breakthrough, poof, and then the next day dip back towards for finding support, which has been found, which was enough to offer bulls a nice entry level to push price action all the way up above this monthly pivot. Then a bit of choppiness, finding support back on that monthly pivot. Next for the higher, and which brought us in this area between sort of a bit of a range trade between 105 and almost 120. And in that range trade now it looks like price is on its way all the way up to that 120. From that 120 actually, so let's mark this up yet again. So it's only small move all the way up to this 120. And once we put that in green for the uptrend, and then second phase will then be up all the way to that 132 level. Oops. There we go. That's a bit better. There we go. So two stages. First of all today, and then possibly by Friday or Thursday, we will be hitting that $130.70 handle. For the statistics, maybe it's good to line up. If we have a look on how much that would be roughly 16%, give or take from where we are measuring, which is in the making by the end of by the end of this week actually. So depending on positiveness in the markets and risk on, keeping alive throughout the week, going into the weekend will be key to see, and that could bring this towards here. If we dare to look further, then once above this level, possibly 150 here with the 200-day moving average, but that is still quite a bit of way to go. So for that, I would like to see some more tail risks being curved out. For example, if the NFPs are a positive surprise, not showing any further tightening for the Fed going forward. So that would mean markets have made the right assessment and do not need to be scared of much stricter tightening from the Fed. That could open the door then to that 150. But for now, focus on 130.70, which is in the making. Risk to the downside, as this is a very, very steep. Let me try at least to put on trend line, because it's very steep, so it will be very hard to find any. Yeah, there we go, a little bit here, but it's not the best. And that's the risk with steep trend lines. They can often ply back very quickly and very sharply, often followed by sort of a falling knife. So that falling knife could go very quickly all the way back below 100 to 95, and then possibly even further down, so that we then even drop all the way back below to this 75. That could possibly be, for example, if positive news is completely unwinded, or for example, if there are certain risks to the downside that emerge. For example, with we have French elections coming soon. That could be a risk. We have had this morning news about the $600 million heist that has happened in the cryptocurrencies, for example. So that could weigh on market sentiment, and certainly in the cryptocurrency space. So watch out. As steeper as it goes, as harder they can fall. But for now, seeing the positiveness, risk on, and the current tailwinds, expect rather $130.70 to be in the making. That's it for Solana price action. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.